Hi everyone, my name is Bill. I currently live in Etobicoke with my family, and after 16 years we decided to have a large renovation. We ended up going with, we always wanted to do coffered ceilings, wainscoting, and we took the time and effort, and with Google help of course, we stumbled upon Dream Trim Mouldings and Effie and his team. We contacted them, and Effie was more than willing to come several times. We planned and worked together to find the exact ideas that we chose, especially with Effie's expertise. And then we just started on our project. Effie was more than willing to come and explain and share and answer any and all of our questions. He was very efficient with his crew. We were more than happy with the end result. We found him to be more than fair with what we paid, and we would definitely recommend him again. Not only would I recommend him, but I would only choose Dream Trim Moulding for this type of project.
You